Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Wheels. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Wltoys 124018. I think I got that name right. Wltoys loves to give their cars numbers instead of names. But this is one of the newest cars from Wltoys. It's a 1/12 scale, it's 4-wheel drive, it's brushed. So some of its key features: oil-filled shocks, really nice, front and rear. The rear ones out of the box are pretty stiff. It feels like they have a bit too much oil in there, but the fronts feel really nice. Brushed aluminum chassis, looks fantastic. And then the body looks really nice. It's like a sand dune buggy basher. I don't even know what you'd call a car like this. But it looks really nice, has the two drivers in there. And we have LEDs right there. Let's take a look at this controller. So we have the fully proportional Wltoys controller. I mean, it feels like cheap, light plastic, but hey, it does the job, and it does have fantastic range, I must say. So we have the throttle dual rate right there, and the steering trim takes 4 AA batteries right under there. That's all there is with the controller. Next is the battery. This is a 2,200 milliamp hour LiPo battery with the Dean's plug, and your balance lead right there. It does come with a simple wall charger. I don't have it with me right now. So now let's take a look under the hood of this awesome RC car. All the pins out, they're just 2 right there. So let's go ahead and pop open this top. Just opens up really nicely like that. Here we have the 550 brushed motor, ESC, your 5-wire servo right there, and that purple drive shaft. I love that battery tray, obviously, right there. Close it, click. I always think I'm breaking it whenever I do that. And there's really not anything else to say. So let's just go ahead and go outside and drive it. Here we go on a more flat surface. This is what we like to call the ridge. It really does great with off-roading. Something I really like about it is how quiet it is. Yeah. The steering's quiet, the throttle's quiet. Do a little jump or not. This video, the driving part isn't probably gonna be that long. I'm just gonna do some on the grass, some on the asphalt. Okay guys, here we are, the asphalt. It's really fast. If you wanna see a speedrun, I think Airborne RC has a video. I'm not sure on that, so don't quote me. Oh, look at that pulling. Sick. It is getting really cold and it is about to snow. So this video might not be that long. But it is actually really windy, and I bought this foam covering for the camera. So if you have a GoPro and you want to get out the wind noise, I'd really recommend it. There's a link in the description below. That's taking out hopefully a lot of the wind noise. This thing's fast though. The motor just does have a weird little noise. I'm not really sure what that is, but I mean, a cheap brushed motor, what can you really expect? But it does the job, and it does it quite well. So I'm not really sure what else to say. You can see those lights too. Looks really sick. Well guys, overall, I mean, I think I went over everything important about this car. It's really awesome. There's a link in the description below to Banggood. If it is available on Amazon, I'll have a link down there too, but I don't think it is yet. So if you want to check out another review of this RC car, go click up there. or there's a little white tab, just click on it. But this thing is really awesome. It's a great option if you're looking for RCs under maybe $150. It's big, fast, fun. I really can only find a couple of things wrong with it. I mean, there are parts available readily on eBay, Banggood, places like that. I mean, it's really a fantastic RC. So if you are looking to buy it, as I said, there's a link in the description. So that's really all I have to say. So this is the end of the video. If you've watched this far, thank you so much. You're one of the few viewers. If you have watched this far, that means you enjoy my content. So please go down and hit the subscribe button. Big red says subscribe in it. Just click that and you're subscribed to my channel. And go ahead and click the bell so you can see when I post any of my new videos. And go ahead and like so more people can also see this review of this epic RC car. So thank you for watching. Now that this is over, go check out some of my other videos. All around me are some of my awesome videos that I think you will enjoy. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Farewell.